Belgavi's worsening water crisis has begun affecting essential services including healthcare. The district hospital reportedly postponed non-emergency surgeries and restricted fresh inpatient admissions after severe water shortages disrupted daily operations. Sources said departments were asked to focus only on emergency and critical cases while conserving water for sanitation and patient care. The hospital, which has around 1,000 beds and performs nearly 50 surgeries every day, was said to have delayed scheduled procedures as water availability became a concern. Fresh admissions were also reportedly reduced, with more patients being treated through the outpatient department. However, Belgavi Institute of Medical Sciences dean Ashok Kumar Shetty later said the situation had improved and normal surgical services would resume. He added that essential departments including maternity services continued to receive adequate water supply. The crisis comes as several parts of Belgavi are receiving water only once every 8 days compared to the earlier 5-day cycle. Deputy Mayor Hanuman Kongali said authorities were working to provide water for at least 2 hours daily until the situation stabilizes. Water is currently being drawn from the Rakkaskop and Hidkal reservoirs. The impact is also being felt by industries. Several foundry units in Belgavi's industrial belt have reportedly scaled down operations after water supplies were prioritized for domestic consumption.